Meet Body Farm founder Dr. Bill Bass and renowned fingerprint expert Art Bohanan and hear them speak about their forensic investigations. Hi, I'm Frank Murphy. I'll be your host for this special fundraiser for the Fraternal Order of Police Lodge 61 on Monday, November 18th at Jefferson County High School. Buy your tickets now at bonezonesdandridge.eventbrite.com. These lectures are for those of us who are fascinated with crime scenes and forensic anthropology, but be warned, the subject matter and crime scene photos are for mature audiences only. General admission tickets are $45 plus fees, or upgrade to a VIP ticket for $100 plus fees and come to a 6 p.m. reception with Dr. Bass and Art Bohanan, get a seat in the reserved section, and an autographed event poster. This special event is Monday, November 18th in the James Swann Performing Arts Center at Jefferson County High School, just 2 miles off exit 417 on I-40. Buy your tickets before it's too late at bonezonesdandridge.eventbrite.com.